try to come up with something with good quality. Whether, for example, you're teaching, you want to have a good quality teaching. You want to be able to teach your students well. In this case, you guys are teachers. You want to focus on your student. You cannot multitask in whatever you do, whether it's teaching, doing something for your family, or whatever job or activity you do, only focus on one thing. I don't know if you experienced this. Here's a fun experience I had. Okay, I remember there was one time, when I still had a girlfriend, when I was at St. Deliet, nagte-text ako ng I love you notes sa ex-girlfriend ko that time. I accidentally sent it to my boss. Who happens to be, male pa talaga. Yung boss ko, pili naman, sumagot, I love you pare. Okay, now, here's my point kasi, yun yung mistake ko I was working on something. Sa computer ko during that time. So, there are two things on my mind. The deadline I was supposed to submit to my boss, and me texting my girlfriend at the time. So, while I was sending emails, doing work in my computer, okay, sinabay ko talaga na parang pause muna ako sa tabi, then I texted her. Pero yun nga lang, my mind was still on what I was doing at work. So I'm mixing it up at once. If you think about it, it's easy. You just ignore the computer first and then type. But there's still a part of your brain that's still focused on that work. So when you're doing two things at the same time, the chance of you making a mistake is very high.